We will now derive a formula for calculating electrical energy in terms of power and time. We have studied that power is equal to W upon T, that is work done by electric current divided by time taken. Okay. Now, according to the law of conservation of energy, as per the law of conservation of energy, work done by the electric current is equal to electric energy consumed. So we can also write down the above relation, that is this relation, as electrical energy E is equal to power is equal to E upon T. So we have replaced work with electrical energy, or the formula for electrical energy will be E is equal to P into T. So electric energy consumed by an electrical appliance is given by the product of its power rating and the time for which it is used. Okay. So the electrical energy consumed by the electrical appliance depends on the two factors. Number one, power rating of the appliance, and number two, the time for which the appliance is used. For which an appliance is used. So according to this formula, what will be the unit of E? It will be power into hour, or WH. Power into hour means WH. W is watt hour. So its formula, its SI unit will be WH. 1 watt hour. 1 watt hour is the amount of electrical energy consumed when an electrical appliance of 1 watt is used for 1 hour. So जब एक इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस जिसकी पावर है 1 वॉट 1 घंटे के लिए यूज होता है, तो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी जो किसके बराबर होगी? वाट आवर के बराबर होगी. बट जो एनर्जी, जो आपके घर में जो पावर आती है, उसको हम, क्योंकि दैट इज ट्रेड, दैट इज फॉर द बिजनेस पर्पस, that energy is known as electrical energy, but its unit is known as commercial unit of electrical energy. Commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. It is kilowatt hour because it is the bigger unit. So actually if we will measure the energy in joule or watt, then it is the smaller unit, and joule is always then we have to use a smaller unit. For the time also we have to use second. So for it will be very inconvenient for the people to measure the electrical energy consumed. So that is why this kilowatt hour is used in the energy which comes to your house from the powerhouse. Okay. and the relationship between the joule, the kilowatt hour and joule is that, see, it can be calculated as 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 joules per second into 60 into 60. That is 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. Okay. Thank you.